Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore early version of your Google Docs file. So for example, you've already made some changes into your in your Google Docs file, and you probably need to go out, you want to go to the previous or earlier version of it. I'm going to show you how. So open your Google Docs app, Google Docs file first. And then here is my file. As you can see, the last edit was 3 days ago, and when you want to restore it, just click on this to open the version history. And then you can see there are so many changes that I've made in this file, and the file is originally created in 2014, and I'm going to restore this version, the original version, just by clicking this restore this version. Just click on this, and then your current document will refer to the version from June 6, 2014. So click on restore, and just like that, a newer version has been uploaded or restored. So this is the earlier version of my file, so it has been restored just like that. It's so easy. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.